Hello guys, this is a very simple question and let's solve and we will solve this question in seconds. So let's try to solve this question. So here it is the solution. So what we will do, we will cancel this at with this at. So it will become what it will become. So it will become at, will cancel this at, and the remaining term over here is 1, and this will multiply with this at, so it will become 2 into 8. So 2 into 8 equal to 16, and here it is our answer, and we have solved this question in seconds like a great mathematician. But guys, unfortunately, this is the wrong answer of this question. This is not the right answer of this question. Please note that this is not the right answer of this question. This method which I showed you guys, this is wrong, and you cannot solve this question like this because you have cancelled this at with this at, and you cannot cancel like this. This is not in multiplication, this is in division, and you cannot cancel out these at with one another or each other. So this is a wrong method of solving this question, and you cannot solve by this method. What is the right solution of this question? And I will show you the right solution now. So this is your given question. Look over here, this is in division. So when you divide 8 by 1 divided by 8, so this 1 divided by 8 is whole will come in the division like this. So we will write this 8 as 8 divided by 1 divided by 8 in the next step. So this will split and this will come over here, and it will become 8 divided by 1 like this. Look over here, this is 8, and this 8 will come over here, and this will split into 8 divided by 1. So this is basically 8 divided by 1, and then we will write this 8. So now we will multiply these through this 3 8 with one another. So 8 multiplied by 8 equal to 64, and multiply by 8, which is equal to 512, and then we will multiply this 2 with 512, so it will become 1024, and this is the right answer of this question, that is 1024. So this is the right answer. So please do not trap in this question. This question are mostly given in MCQs type question, and people solve this question in a hurry and they're trapped in this trap. So please do not be trapped in this trap. First convert this into like this, and then like this, and then solve. So this is your answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.